All right, this right here is gonna really test your age. What is this right here? This switch right here. I remember I was driving my dad's old vehicle and it had this switch. Some of you guys out there probably know what this is if you're old enough. I know a lot of people who watch this channel is probably around the age of right 40 or above. So I don't think the millenniums or the Generation Z would know what this is. So I want you to test your knowledge. If you know what this is, click the like and share. If you don't, just look at it a while and do a little research and you'll figure out what it is. But if you were back in the days, you probably know, some of you guys look at this and know what it is right away. And this is what it do right here. You see pushing this switch up and down. What you think it do when you click it up and down. All right, let me know. Click the like and share this video if you know what it is. All right, thanks for watching. Welding and stuff.